Hey everybody, it's RV Lenny. Today we got another beautiful motorhome in. 2018 Newmar Ventana 4037 model number. 55,000 miles. Cummins Diesel engine. Does have auto leveling, rear and side cameras. King bed, bath and a half. 2 ACs on the roof. Outside television, satellite on the roof, power awning, power entry door awning, pass-through underbays, inverter charger, the full body paint is in excellent condition. There's no clear coat peeling, no checking in the paint, no rust, no smells of cigarettes or pets. It does have a tow package. Paint scheme is nice and busy. Full wall slide out. This is the Ventana LE series, so it is an upgrade. It is on a Freightliner chassis. 50 amp power cord. I'm sorry, yeah, 50 amp cord. Onan 8000 with 500 hours. Flush mount windows. One-piece windshield. Newmar is a great product. Let's go inside, check out all the amenities. So as you can see here, we have a televator. This makes a bed. Got some nice seating there. Convection microwave oven. 3-burner cooktop. Really nice backsplash back there. Counters look great. This comes out right here. I think you just hit this button. This is great. This TV goes up and down, so you hit the button, it goes down, you can see out the window, and you don't lose any TV because there's another TV up there. You have a nice desk here for the passenger. You can eat there. You know, this reclines. The stool pops out there. Great ceiling treatments for some nice upgraded elegant features. Nice size pantry here for the canned goods. And all these slide out. Residential refrigerator with a bottom freezer. Here we have a half bath. Master suite. King bed, brand new linens we put in. Ceiling treatment. HDTV, his and hers closets. There is a privacy door that shuts right here. It goes all the way across. This is a nice feature how these light up right here. So all the lights can be off and then those can be on. They're on the sides of the bed as well. Another privacy door right here for the master bath. Porcelain toilet. And then here we have stackable washer and dryer. Another closet over here. Got the shower. (2018) Newmar Ventana Cummins Diesel pusher, 55,000 miles, bath and a half. I mean, the thing looks almost perfect. Give Lenny a call, 832-492-1075. Check out topchoicerv.com. Look us up on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. We're out there everywhere. 832-492-1075. Thank you, everybody.